In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color entire partitions based on dimension values in a crosstab in Tableau. This is a great technique to visually enhance your data presentation, making it clearer and more engaging for your audience. Let's get started. First, you'll need to launch the Tableau app on your computer. Once it's up and running, navigate to your desired worksheet. This is where we'll begin building our visualization. When you have your worksheet open, the first thing you'll do is drag the segment field onto the column shelf. This step sets up a framework for your data across the horizontal axis. Next, you'll add a bit more structure by dragging the region field to the rows shelf. This allows the data to be partitioned vertically according to region, enabling Tableau to display it in an organized manner. Not only will this make your data easier to understand, but it will also allow for further customization in later steps. Continuing with our setup, let's incorporate time into your visualization. Drag the order date field to the rows shelf as well. By including order dates, you'll be creating a time series that allows for a chronological perspective of your data. This is crucial for identifying patterns or trends across different periods. Now that you have a framework in place, it's time to bring in the actual data points. Take the sales field and drag it to the label area in your worksheet. By doing this, you're telling Tableau to display the actual sales numbers on your crosstab, providing valuable quantitative context to the other aspects of your visualization. Moving ahead, let's focus on profitability. Double-click on the profit field, which will prompt Tableau to add it into your visualization. This ensures that profit metrics are integrated into your analysis, providing an additional dimension to help assess performance across segments and regions. Now, we'll start coloring our partitions to enhance visual differentiation. Drag the segment field once again, but this time move it to the colors area. This step allows each segment in your crosstab to be distinctly colored, making it easier to compare and contrast the performance of different segments. Next, take the region field and drag it to the details section of your marks card. Once there, convert this to color as well. This layered coloring helps clarify regional performance variations, giving distinct visual cues for each region. Finally, for a comprehensive color application, drag the measure names field onto the details section and change this to color as well. This will add another layer of color coding, helping you differentiate between the various measures in your data set. With all these steps complete, you should now have a fully customized, colorful crosstab in Tableau. This visualization not only presents your data clearly, but also makes it visually appealing and easier to understand. Thanks for following along, and I hope this makes your Tableau experience even more powerful.